Morning! G'day! What's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. G'day, guys! G'day, guys! What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, sorry. Hey guys, I live in beautiful Queensland.
Aussie, land down under.
I think it's day 30. Oh my god, day 30. I just got out of bed. Just cooking some bacon. Too close. Just got out of bed. Yeah, so fixed up. Paid my store a bit of attention yesterday. Got lots of yard work to do today, so I'll get on to that. And yeah, see what the day brings. Hope you're all doing well. I hope life is great wherever you are. Yeah, and I'll catch you up later. Bye. Okay guys, so I went to mow the lawn this morning. It's a bit overcast. So and it just started sprinkling now. It looks like it's going to rain. So that didn't happen. Oh well. Okay guys, update. I went to start the gardening. It's been God knows how many weeks since I've been actually getting into the garden to do a bit of gardening. But yeah, today I've got the day off, so I actually thought, well, I'll get out and do the garden today, tidy up the yard, and I got this much done. Before it started to rain. Can you see that rain on the floor? Yeah, so, oh well, back upstairs and do some more video editing, I suppose. So yeah. Hi guys, update time. Well, it's lunchtime, 1 o'clock, and I'm having leftovers from last night, which is a KFC wrap with some popcorn chicken. It's time to get my food on. Well, as soon as I stepped outside, boom, it starts raining again. So I am just gonna give it up. I'm gonna turn on the telly and I'm gonna watch some and yeah, relax. Ciao. Hey guys. Okay, so day's been pretty much wasted because of the rain and everything. Haven't been able to get much done, but I have managed to put together that video mashup that I promised last week. Finally got onto it, so install video now. guys, hope you enjoyed that. Wasn't much, I know, but just some old videos I threw together. Tomorrow I'm going to try a new video filter called Install Video Picture Now. I'm going to try that out tomorrow, see, have a bit of fun with that, see what we can do as far as like spicing our day up with a bit of video editing, or video filters I should say. Okay, so thanks for watching, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up